So let's be honest, keeping floors actually clean, it's a constant battle between vacuuming, mopping, and trying to sanitize. It feels like you're always doing 3 different chores. That's where this comes in. Today, I'll be partnering with Dreame to check out their brand new Aero Ultra Steam vacuum mop. This thing's designed to sweep, wash with high temp steam, and dry your floors all in a single pass. I've been putting it to the test, and in this video, we're going to find out if it can actually replace your entire cleaning closet. Let's go ahead and get started. First, let's take a look at one of the most powerful features on this machine, and that's the steam mode. This mode is designed for everyday hygienic cleaning, making it the perfect solution for your kitchen, dining area, or any high traffic spaces where your kids and pets spend most of their time. The Aero Ultra utilizes a massive 392 degree Fahrenheit high temperature steam. Now, to be clear, the 392 degrees is the internal temperature of the steam inside the system. It's not the temperature that your floors are continuously exposed to, which means it remains completely safe for your sealed hard floors while delivering maximum hygienic power. What makes steam mode so incredible is that it provides a deep sanitary clean naturally without relying on harsh chemical cleaning solutions. It's a worry-free, chemical-free way to keep your home healthy, which is a massive win for families with children and pets. Using steam mode is incredibly simple. You just turn the mode on and start cleaning normally. As you move the machine, it continuously releases that powerful high temperature steam to loosen invisible dirt, while the powerful suction works at the exact same time to instantly collect the dirty water. There's absolutely no need to steam separately or do a dry vacuum pass first. You get complete deep cleaning sanitation and instant water recovery all in one swift, seamless motion. It turns a chore that used to take multiple steps, vacuuming, mopping, and sanitizing, into a single effortless walkthrough of your home. Now, what about those really tough, sticky, or smelly messes that steam alone can't tackle? That's where foam wash mode comes into play. This is your go-to solution for targeted stain removal, specifically designed for those localized stubborn messes like pet accidents, vomit, sticky sauces, coffee spills, and dried on food residue. I tested this on some dried ketchup, dried jelly, and dried ranch, and everything came up with no issues. The Aero Ultra features a dedicated cleaning solution tank that automatically mixes the optimal concentration of cleaning solution and water. When you trigger it, a rich, thick foam is sprayed directly onto the stain, and this foam immediately goes to work, breaking down stubborn, stuck-on messes and helping to neutralize and eliminate those lingering odors. Using it is extremely straightforward. Simply press the dedicated foam wash button to target the spray right onto the mess. Let the foam sit on top of the stain for a brief moment so it can work its magic, and then move the mop directly over the area to clean it up. Thanks to the integrated system, the vacuum suction operates simultaneously to instantly collect the foam and residue, leaving behind nothing but clean, fresh-smelling floors. For deep cleaning larger areas, the Aero Ultra offers hot water mode. Unlike steam mode, which is fantastic for chemical-free hygiene, hot water mode delivers greater water coverage with 194 degree Fahrenheit heated water. This makes it ideal for tackling large kitchen floors, muddy footprints, dried soy sauce, coffee spills, or built-up dirt across entire rooms. The heated water works incredibly fast to soften and loosen dried-on grime across a wider surface area, significantly improving your overall cleaning efficiency. But wet mopping is only half the battle. You also need that dirty water off your floor. That's where the Aero Ultra's staggering 30 kilopascals of suction power comes in. The moment the hot water cleans the dirt, the 30 kilopascal suction immediately pulls the dirty water and debris up and away into that wastewater tank. This means your floors are left thoroughly washed, virtually dry, and entirely free of dirty streaks in a single pass. You're never just pushing dirty water around, you're physically extracting it from your home. Beyond the incredible cleaning modes, the Aero Ultra is packed with smart design features that make using it a breeze. First, it features an ultra-slim body and a 180-degree lie-flat design, allowing you to slide the vacuum effortlessly under low-profile furniture and reach those tricky spots. The cleaning head is also equipped with bright LED illumination, which reveals hidden dust, pet hair, and debris in dark corners or under your couches. To keep maintenance minimal, Dreame included their Tangle Cut 2.0 anti-tangle technology, which actively prevents hair from wrapping around the brush roller as you clean, Maneuvering this vacuum is practically effortless thanks to the smart power assist wheels that help glide the machine forward and backward with minimal physical effort. And when you're completely done cleaning, you just place it on the base station for the intelligent self-cleaning process. The machine automatically washes and dries the brush roller, ensuring it stays fresh, odor-free, and ready for your next clean without you ever having to touch a dirty roller. Ultimately, the Dreame Aero Ultra Steam vacuum mop is the ultimate all-in-one floor care solution that saves you time and delivers a deeper, healthier clean. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning routine and make dirty floors a thing of the past, I highly recommend checking this one out. I put a link in the description below where you can find more details and grab yours today. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more home tech coverage like this. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.